Hey, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to the video. My name is Anthony Llanos, and in today's video I want to make a product review. It's something that I got in the mail today from Amazon, and especially if you are a traveler, if you're on the road all the time, if you want something comfortable in your neck, this is gonna be a traveling pillow, so this is gonna help you to sleep better. I'm gonna do an honest review about this product, and also I'm gonna compare this product to two different neck pillows that I bought in the past, and I'm gonna add an extra bonus at the end. I also gonna see how comfortable is this neck pillow, how easy to carry around this is gonna be, and thirdly I'm gonna see how good is the material on that. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Let's go. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna open up this package and follow me so we can do it together, okay? Okay, so first things first, so we're opening this box. Let's see what we have in there. Okay, so this is what we have right now, so please read instructions. Let's open it, let's see what is inside. Oh, look at that. So this is gonna be the neck pillow that we order online. And like I said, this one's gonna have a bonus as well. So for like under $25, I think it's a really good price, because when you go to the airport and you wanna buy other pillows, you are paying like $20, $30 just for those. So this is basically the first piece that we have, neck pillow. I really like so far like the way it feels. It's kind of like very soft, and the material is really good. The material is really good. So let's see what else is inside. So, and then after that, like I mentioned, you're gonna get it back. Oh, look at this. So in the picture in Amazon, you also were able to see that they're gonna bring you one of these. So this is gonna be for the ears. So whenever you're traveling, you want to sleep peacefully, so that's gonna come really handy whenever you're having something like that, which is gonna be called earbuds right here. So it's gonna come two of those, basically two pairs, so you can use it as often as you want. So this, and then something for your beauty sleep. So really nice. Like I said, for the price, I think it's really good so far. And later on, we're gonna put it to the test, because we're gonna be traveling. We're gonna go to the city right now. So I'm gonna put it in my neck. I'll give you a try test of how this feels whenever you're traveling, because the main goal is gonna be, if you're traveling, you want something to sleep on. Because what I experienced with most of the things on whenever I'm buying like pillows is that most of them, they give you like neck pain. And I'm gonna show you some of the ones that I bought before, so I'm gonna show you to you. So I'm gonna do the review. Once I finish with these, I'm gonna let you know how are these compared to this one. So I paid for this one when I bought it like a long time ago. I paid like around $30 for that, because I bought it in the airport. So, and I was like, this is really pricey for the material, the way it feels. So when you're laying down, I didn't like this one at all. So, because when the first thing that you want when you're traveling is that you want something where you can sleep on, especially if you are standing like this straight, right? And this one didn't feel at all, because I had a lot of neck pain once I was using this. The second one that I got, this one was from a different this one was from a Chinese company in AliExpress.com. It simulates Amazon. So they sell some really cheap products, and this is something that I got from them as well. And I would say this one is much better than the regular one, just because it's more fluffy. You can just lay your face on that. This is something, it's not something that's gonna go around your neck, but this one is gonna be something that you can lay on top. And I'm gonna show you right now once I inflate this thing. So after like 2 minutes, I was able to inflate this. And so the trick about this is that something that's gonna go around your car. And that's why they're gonna have this little strap, and then you go around the car, and then you're gonna be able to place this on the back of the car.
Stop it.
There you go. So the purpose of this is because probably you saw it in so many platforms like Facebook or anything like that. So this is gonna go around the seat of the car. I'm gonna show you some visuals so you can see it. And the purpose of that is so you can lay on that. And you're gonna be like this. And then you supposedly need to rest your arms right
if you
here.
want.
So basically this is gonna work for you if you are in the airplane, like next to the window. This is not gonna work if you wanna lay in someone's arm or something like that. And also, if you're gonna be traveling, you can like lay your head on the window as well. But that's gonna be the only time that's gonna be working for you. So it's much better than this for sure. And this one doesn't like. I mean, this is something just to have in your neck or something. But this is not like the best thing that you can get. This is definitely an upgrade for that. So once I'm gonna get in the car, because we're gonna go to the city, I'm gonna give you an honest review about these in the car, okay? Alright guys, so right now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna take these to the car and put it on test and see how it works, if it's worth it, if it's not. So stay tuned for that. Let's go. Thank you, vamos. Okay guys, I know it's gonna be a little bit dark out here, but just bear with me. And now we're gonna do the review test of these. So far I really like it because it's easy just to put it in a little bag like this and then just carry it around. I think you can attach these even to your backpack, so you can just bring in your backpack as well. And like I said, like the quality is really good. So right now we're gonna test it. Let's see. Okay guys, so this is what we have, like I mentioned before. So let's just pull it out. And it's gonna be a long ride, so let's see. Pull the strap, and don't forget that you're also gonna get this thing, so it's gonna be an extra thing to get you beauty sleep. Like, to be honest guys, I think I really love this product. For the price, I think it's amazing. I'm just gonna like take a nap really quick. What? For like a couple of minutes and talk to you and see what's up.
1 hour later.
Oh man, that feels so good. And okay, so a couple of thoughts about this. The neck pillow is really comfortable. Like, I have to say that, like, compared to the other ones that I just showed you, this one is like 1,000 times much better than the other ones. I really like the material. I really like I mentioned before, a couple of points I was gonna mention. The second point is that it's really easy to bring it to wherever you want to go, because you can squeeze it anywhere. It's easy to carry, and most importantly, like, the texture is really soft. It's made of what Lucy told me, memory foam material, so it's really comfortable, as you can see right here. One of the things I like about this specific package is that you also have this whenever you purchase that. It's kind of like an extra bonus for that. This is for your eyes, so you can fall asleep, you don't receive any light. What I really like about this is that it's really expandable, so it's kind of like one size fits all, and it's not too tight in your head, so it's really nice. Okay, this is gonna be everything for the complete review about this product. Like I said, I really like it compared to other products that I had in my house, like the ones I mentioned to you. So if you want to get a product like this one, I'm gonna put a link in the description that's gonna link you to this product on Amazon. The only reason why I'm giving you this link is because I really recommend it to you. Let me know what you think about this whenever you buy it, if you like it or not. If it made your traveling experience much better, especially if you want to sleep on the plane. And let me know that in the comment sections below, and make sure to subscribe to this channel so I can continue to deliver really good, valuable information to you. So stay tuned for more videos. So I'm gonna end it right here, and I'll talk to you later. Peace. Take care.